Oh, shiitake and mushrooms.
Don't post that on
YouTube!
Okay, hey guys, what's up? So today, nice sunny coming outside today. Only about 85 degrees again right now. What? Alright, just hold on. So today is sunny outside and sky is coming out here today, only 85 degrees. Nice neighborhood coming out. So, here we go. Alright, let's go ahead and put my mask on. Okay, so let's go. Here's Zion Garage and Toyota car right there. And the kids are arguing. Nice neighborhood today, right there. So let's go. Are you ready, mommy? Alright guys, so we're going to Chinese food right now at Wee's Garden. So we're going to Wee's Garden right now. So you guys can see the view. We have the view right there. Probably not heard about this before. So we're going to Wee's Garden right now and try some food. So here we go. Check out the view. The view is nice and the view is great. Boy, you guys, check this out. So here's the Spoon store right there. You guys see the Spoon store? And what happened to the Spoon store in Sonoma Boulevard in Boyle, California? What happened to Spoon? Oh, they fixed 2 doors because they bust the door. I told him not to do that, okay? So you see the Spoon store, you guys? The Spoon store is right over there. And here's the McDonald's location right there. And we're going. So here we go. Alright guys, so we're almost there to Wee's Garden right now. So here's the Royal Plaza, DDS discounts, the UPS store, and the pizza. Alright guys, so we're at Wee's Garden right now. Here's the Metro PCS store right there.
Put your things like with your mask, please.
Oh, I'm just putting my mask. So here's Metro by T-Mobile. Okay, so Metro by T-Mobile, we're open. Alright guys, so we can't even believe this right now. We just got kicked out at Wee's Garden because nobody doesn't come here on a Vevo at this time. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so we're going home right now. We're leaving at Wee's Garden right now and we're going home. So you guys can see the views right there. We have the views. Alright, so we have lots of views coming up here today. And here's the places right there. So here's McDonald's. You guys can see. And here's the traffic right there. So here we go, you guys. Here's the traffic right there. And we have the crosswalk right there. So here's McDonald's new location. Here's Nissan right there. Royal Nissan. And we have the Enterprises or something like that. I think we design our clothes right now. They took the hammer and destroying lots of places, and they. Alright guys, so we're heading home right now because you know what? Okay, so we're going home right now, and we're almost home because we're trying to have some fun here at the places. So if you guys can see the view right there, we have a lot of view right there, and we have lots of places at this house, and checking lots of views up here. I think we have lots of views coming up here, but if you guys can see, here he is. Here's the house right there. We have lots of houses right there, and here's Cyan Car Garage, and here's the Toyota car. So I think Frank is at home right now because he did some yard work yesterday, and this is a great time. So we're here right now, and that is it. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're going right now. Alright guys, we're at home. So we're gonna go inside the house right now. We're here right now. And you guys can see the view up here. You may open the house and see lots of views coming up out here in a few days. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we're back home. And here's the view right there. So we're here. Check out the view right there. Alright, let's go inside. Let's queue it. Alright guys, so we're gonna end this video right now. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. Be sure to subscribe and check out a new video right there. We'll see you guys in the next one, and have a good day. Goodbye. And here's the Cyan Car Garage right there. You see? And here's the Toyota. Alright, nice view up here today. Gonna be 8 degrees right there. I think we were not, but you guys can see, we're checking it right there. So yeah. What is it right there? 3 minutes and enjoy. They just said some questions, you know. They just don't said it. I gotta cut this up right now.
So, if you have no issues, really, this is where they might not like that.
What the hell is that? Dude, you're just gonna make like a hero, dude. That's right. Alright guys, we'll get you guys back. Alright guys, so the noodles are ready right now. So if you open this up, you will see all your information coming up right there. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this thing and put it in. Okay, so first we're gonna add the sauce. This pollo is in the sauce. Add sauce on it. Add this one. You're almost getting it, okay. You're almost getting it. What happened to the KBCW logo? I told you to put it on. Oh, you deleted it? You fake as bunny? They didn't have it back to national. Oh God. So much sauce. gonna pour some sauce again for that. Sumayin noodles, mama. Namasimegi noodles. Good. Now we're gonna stir it up. Simple me lagi so. Kubulay say. I think we... Hold on a second, you guys. Connecting to KBCW logo. Didn't connect. It didn't connect, Div. Are you kidding me? I told you to connect it. When there's a good connection. Since in time. Alright guys, the noodles is ready. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Okay. So we're gonna try this out right now. Here we go. Tastes so good. Happy Father's Day too. Guys, if you still avoid Father's Day, go ahead and comment down below. Tell us which Father's Day you have. That I need to know. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
Fix this. Whoa!